Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies without electric mixer, full guide. Start by gathering room temperature butter, sugars, eggs, flour, baking soda, salt, and chocolate chips. Measure ingredients precisely and preheat the oven to the right temperature so cookies bake evenly. I will walk you step by step through creaming by hand, mixing dough, portioning cookies, and baking for perfect texture every time. Creaming by hand takes patience, but it produces excellent results for cookies. Use a sturdy wooden spoon or spatula and press the butter into the sugar, then smear and fold repeatedly for several minutes. Your goal is a lighter color and slightly airy texture. This method incorporates enough air to help cookies rise without an electric mixer, and it lets you control the dough consistency more closely than you might expect. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more baking guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice. It's a fun pick-me-up after a cookie run. I've placed the link and other deals in the description so you can find it easily. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. After creaming, add eggs one at a time and mix until each is fully incorporated to maintain emulsion. Sift or whisk dry ingredients separately, then fold them into the batter gently to prevent tough cookies. Stir in chocolate chips by hand, ensuring even distribution. Use a scoop or tablespoon to portion dough and refrigerate briefly if it spreads too much, then bake on line trays until edges are golden brown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.